Hey, welcome in. This is Greg from Mighty Studios with a quick holiday project. Hallmark makes some fantastic Christmas ornaments that generate light and sound. But prior to 2009, many of these were powered by your Christmas light strand. You'd unplug a bulb from the strand and plug in the ornament to make it work. There were also these little motorized ornament spinners that worked the same way. With the changeover to LED Christmas lights, plugging into the strand no longer works. Hallmark sold a legacy cord for a short time, but since going out of production, it skyrocketed in price. Plus, it only powered 4 ornaments. We can do better. We start by finding a 6-volt AC power supply. Remember, this is AC, not DC, so it's a little trickier to find. The link to the one I'm using is in the description. To connect to it, we'll need a 5.5mm barrel jack, Pigtail. We'll also need some wire to run through the tree, preferably something Christmassy in color, and a wiring block to serve as our hub. I'm using an 8-way quick connect splitter, but these come in all sorts of sizes if you need more or less. Lastly, unless you want to snip the ends off your ornaments and connect them to your wire some other way, you'll need a sacrificial strand of old incandescent Christmas lights you can get some lamp sockets from. We'll need to solder these lamp sockets to the end of our wires to connect the ornaments. Again, links to everything I used in the description. Wiring is pretty simple. The power supply has a barrel jack output, so we start by using our 5.5 female jack and connect it to our wiring blocks. Now every line in the blocks is wired in parallel, getting 6 volts AC each. For every ornament we want to power, we simply add a line from the blocks that ends in a light socket that our ornament can plug into. For the ornament spinners, 6-volt AC is a little too high and those motors can get warm. For those, we wire each pair of spinners in series by adding 2 sockets to the line, dropping each to 3 volts. Repeat that for the number of ornaments and spinners that you have, adding each one to your block. Here it is all wired up, running old incandescent bulbs as a test. Note there's a long wire from the power supply to the hub that lets me put the hub up in the tree, and then shorter leads that spread out from there to each ornament or spinner location. The 2 wiring blocks are simply hot glued together back to back with a twist tie glued in the middle to make it easier to hang in the tree. I wired everything up and let them run for a bit just to make sure nothing was getting warm and I didn't have any loose connections. And that's it. Place it all in the tree and enjoy your old style powered ornaments and spinners for years to come. Now, there's plenty of ways to make these old ornaments work. This was just one of them. If you found other ways, be sure to drop a note in the comments and let us know how you got your old ornaments working again.
The Force is with you, young Skywalker. But you are not a Jedi yet.
Well, that's it for this video. Thank you and happy holidays from Mighty Studios.